Welcome. So in this tutorial, we're going to find out if it is possible to transfer money from GCash to PayPal. Okay, so as of June 2023, the answer to this question is no. Okay, so what you can do is to transfer money from PayPal to PayPal. Okay, so if you are using your GCash account, there is no way for you to transfer your money from GCash to PayPal. Okay, so if you want to know how to transfer money from PayPal to another PayPal account, just go ahead and comment on the comment section below so that I can do another tutorial for this problem. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.